Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Now this colorful and delicious salad recipe is a beautiful blend of crunchy cucumbers, carrots and onions, and a delicious dressing that makes it something you would want to try. There is so much to love about this healthy and colorful salad, so please stick around so we'll make this together. If you're new here, my name is Evelyn. Please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button to join the family. I have here 1.5 medium-sized cucumber. Make sure you wash your cucumber thoroughly, and all you have to do is to cut them into thin slices just like this. I'll also be using some shredded carrots. Now these are store-bought shredded carrots, but you can make yours at home by buying some fresh carrots and using a box grater. But be careful to keep your hands and fingers out of the way. I'll also be using some sliced onions. You can cut them however you want, and you can also use some white onions, but I think this will add a little more color to the salad. And for my dressing, I'll be using some olive oil, some honey to add some sweetness. You can also use some maple syrup. I'll also be using some lemon juice to give it that kick, some parsley flakes, some black pepper, and last but not least, some salt. I'm going to start by combining my cucumbers and carrots in a bowl. Next, I'll soak my sliced onions in cold water for about 10 minutes and set it aside. And this is just to reduce the strong flavor from the onions. Now to make the dressing, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a bowl. One tablespoon of honey or maple syrup to add some sweetness. One teaspoon of lemon juice to give it that kick. A 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. A 1/4 teaspoon of parsley flakes and some salt. I'm just going to mix it up and your salad dressing is ready. Now let's bring everything together. I'll be adding my onions, which has been soaking for about 10 minutes. I went ahead to drain the water and I'll be adding it into the bowl and I'll mix everything up. Next, I'll drizzle the salad dressing over the top and I'll gently mix everything together. And when you're done mixing, you're going to place this in the fridge until you're ready to serve. Now, if you haven't already subscribed or given the video a thumbs up, please take a moment to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes. So I must add that this salad is not only crunchy and delicious, it's also nutritious because we've used only healthy ingredients, and it's great for those who are on a weight loss diet. It's made with a few basic ingredients, it's so easy to make, and it has an ideal balance of flavors that you'll absolutely love. And there you have it, guys, a vibrant, flavorful cucumber salad that is ready to be served. Now give this wholesome salad a try because it's worth every bite, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Now, if you have enjoyed watching the video, please do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for spending your time with me today, and until my next video, bye.